In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music on Messenger Notes. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you tips and tricks to make the most out of your app experiences. Today, we're diving into a fun and creative way to enhance your interactions on Messenger Notes by adding music. It's a pretty neat feature that lets you express yourself or set the mood in a chat. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Messenger app installed on your smartphone, whether it's Android or iOS. Go to your App Store and check for any available updates. Having the latest version ensures that you're using all the app's features optimally and avoids any potential glitches. Once your app is up to date, open Messenger and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. On the main screen of the app, navigate to create a new note. To do this, look for the Notes option at the bottom of your screen and tap on it. Creating a new note is where you'll be adding your music. With your new blank note ready, tap into the note to begin composing. This is where you type out your message or choose to present a particular thought you wish to share. Keep in mind what you want your recipients to feel or think when they read the note along with the music. Here comes the exciting part: adding music. There should be a music icon somewhere near the top or the bottom of the screen in your note interface. When you tap this icon, it will take you to a library or list of available music and audio clips you can choose from. Depending on the version of your app and where you are in the world, this library might include a vast variety of songs or a curated selection. Explore to find the perfect tune that matches your note's mood or message. Select a track that you like by tapping on it. Messenger will automatically preview the track for you, so you can make sure it's the right choice. This is your chance to hear it before setting it permanently as part of your note. Once you're satisfied with your selection, confirm your choice and the music will now be attached to your note. Don't forget to keep the volume appropriate. You want your friends to appreciate your choice, not get a shock with a loud tune. Finally, hit the send or share button and your musical note will be on its way to your chosen recipients. They'll be able to enjoy the expressed sentiment or message, enhanced through the power of music. And that's it. You've successfully added music to your Messenger Notes. Enjoy experimenting with different tracks and messages to see just how creative you can be. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.